Here is 4 p.m. and here is 1 a.m. Welcome to Svalbard. Svalbard is a Norwegian archipelago very close to the North Pole. Yes, you hear me well, the North Pole. And how do you reach there? Believe it or not, reaching there is not an easy task, and it's generally expensive. Your best bet is to catch a flight in the Norwegian capital of Oslo, or Tromsø in the north of Norway. Anyway, trust me, reaching here is very rewarding. 2,400 people are currently living in Longyearbyen, the world's northernmost town in the entire world. Yes, north of Iceland and Siberia in Russia. Being so remote, the nature is absolutely breathtaking. And of course, hiking is one of the coolest activities.
Today hiking is called Sarkofagen, and the fun part is we are going to walk all here in this glacier.
If you leave Longyearbyen area, due to polar bear threat, either you or your guide needs to carry a gun. But don't worry and enjoy nature. I strongly suggest to do Sarkofagen hiking. Why? Well, views are amazing, it's not very difficult, and it's very fun. Oh, and that's not all.
If you visit Svalbard, you have to experience Arctic path.
Okay, Andrea, how was it?
I feel amazing, I swear. This cold water, I don't feel so strong.
You feel so strong?
Yeah!
That's very good.
Woo!
Is it very cold or it's tolerable?
It's all here.
Yeah, it's all in the mind.
Yeah!
That's true.
By the way, the most incredible thing about Svalbard, if you visit in summer, is that you can experience 24 hours of light, no sunrise and no sunset. I'm pretty sure now we have many reasons to visit Svalbard. Do you agree? Don't be shy!